a string can be called palindrome if the reverse of the string is equal to the original string. So for example, we have a string here level. So if you will reverse this string, you will notice that it will be equal to the original string, so it can be called a palindrome. So let's write the code. So what we will do is we will write a function which will take a string as a parameter, and it will return true if the string is palindrome, or otherwise it will return false. So here we are just using slicing to find the reverse of the string, and if the reverse of the string is equal to the original string, in that case this function will return true, otherwise it will return false. So here we are just checking an input from the user. Okay, so if this function returns true, in that case we will simply print input string is a palindrome. Else we will simply print is not a palindrome. Okay, so let's run this code. For example, I will enter level. Okay, and it's printing that level is a palindrome. Let's try it again. So I will enter a string which is not a palindrome, and let's see what is the output. So I will just enter hello, and since hello is not a palindrome, it is just printing hello is not a palindrome.